And again, we find ourselves at a gas station. All right, boys, we are full again. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's a gloomy day outside, but it's still a great day to be alive. Thank you, sir, for all your duties. PSA, guys, please support your local police department. They go through things that none of us could even imagine. They do their best and work their hardest trying to keep everyone safe on the roads and in their homes. Support your local PD. Guys, we have a couple things on the agenda today. First of which is we have to go and wash the G8. I'm in the G8 now. We're headed to the car wash. I've been driving this more than normal. As you all know, the CRV is the daily driver for the channel. The G8 is just something fun that we do on the side. I've been driving the G8 pretty much as a daily for some unknown reason, but we'll get to that later in the video. But first, let's get this baby cleaned up. Alright guys, now that the car's clean, I feel like we can actually start the day. Alright guys, so a couple of the other things we got to get done today. We've got to go by the courthouse because the tags on the G8 are about to expire. Also, we got to make a run by our CPA real quick because we got to get her some tax information. Okay guys, just got the tags for the G8. Now it's on to the CPA. And we are back at the house, guys. So I didn't take you guys into the CPA's office. I want to leave them, you know, a little bit of privacy. Try not to take the camera everywhere I go. But we are back at the house, and I wanted to talk a little bit about something that I said earlier in the vlog about why I've been daily in the G8 more than normal. So the reason I've been driving it more than normal, as we all know, it's not my daily. The CRV is the daily, but the reason that I've been driving it more often is because the CRV is going to be sold here at the end of the week. I've already met with the people who are interested in buying it. They've already given me a deposit for it. They're coming back at the end of the week to pick it up. So the CRV is going bye-bye. CR-V, guys. I wanted to give this vehicle one last drive before the new owners decide to come and pick it up here in a couple days. I've been trying not to drive it so as to keep the miles off the vehicle, make sure we don't have any kind of accidents in it, because it's kind of Murphy's Law. If something can happen, it will happen. So hopefully nothing happens while we're out driving it today, like no deer. We live in a very rural area, so hopefully no deer try to jump and cross over. So before we sell it, I kind of wanted to give you guys a quick overview of the vehicle before we let it go. You know, the CR-V's been the daily driver since the beginning of the channel, and I feel like we need to do it justice before we let it go, just to kind of give you a good overview of the vehicle. So this is a 1997 Honda CR-V. This is a factory all-wheel drive vehicle. All-wheel drive works perfect in it. I've been in numerous northern states where we've had some snow, ice, things like that. It performs very well. This Honda CR-V is equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Now guys, I've had no trouble whatsoever out of this vehicle. It's been a very strong, dependable vehicle from day one. As you can see, it's got 260,000 miles on it, guys. No check engine lights. The only light on the dash that's on is the rear hatch light. That rear hatch light's been on since I've got the vehicle. Even though the rear hatch is secured, it's locked, the light still decides to come on. I can't get it to go off, but the rear hatch is locked and secured. The vehicle has no oil leaks, no ticks, no knocks. I mean, it's a perfect vehicle. It's a great running and driving vehicle. You know, like I said earlier, the all-wheel drive system works. The heat blows hot, the air blows cool. Everything functions as it should. It's 100% completely mechanically sound vehicle. The only things that I've done to it since I've had it, guys, is the headlights are upgraded to LED headlights, and the reverse lights have been upgraded to LEDs, as well as the full interior, the dome lights, map lights. They've all been converted to LED just so you can see better at nighttime or early morning travels, things of that nature. Also, before I got it, the stereo head unit was upgraded to a Clarion head unit. I've seen pictures of the factory head unit that goes in these vehicles, so I am super glad that the owner before me upgraded to the newer head unit. Super tore up that we're going to sell this, guys. Some vehicles I get super attached to. There's a couple vehicles that I've sold in the past, you know, that I really wish I hadn't have sold. But this vehicle, I'm not like super attached to it. I like it. There's nothing wrong with it, but I feel like by selling this vehicle, we can get a different vehicle for the channel that is easily modified, something that we can make a lot of content with, guys, that you guys will actually really like. So guys, with the CR-V gone, we are definitely going to have to get something cooler in here. So let me know what you guys think, what you guys would like to see on the channel. It's going to be something that's going to have to be dailyable, just because I'm not going to be daily in the G8 all the time, because we got some future mods coming for that. So whatever it's going to be, it's going to have to be sort of comparable to the CR-V, but still a lot of fun. Also, guys, if you haven't already, please go by and check out Timmy's channel. His channel name is Gears and Octane 526. He was nice enough to bring us all of our old parts that we took off the G8 when we were installing the new exhaust. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make all this old exhaust right here magically appear in my attic. In 3, 2, 1. Well, that didn't work. Now I've seen people do this. Maybe I just gotta warm it up, guys. I just gotta warm it up. Here we go. Ready? Voila. I can't believe it actually worked. And with that, guys, we're gonna be wrapping up the video. I hope everybody has a great rest of your day. If you liked what you saw today, hit that like button, subscribe, take care, have a great day.